Hi friends, I hope you all are doing well. If this is your first time stopping by, thanks so much for stopping by. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and I'm going to be sure to make it worth your while. Okay, and to those of you who are of course returning to my channel, welcome and welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping by. As you guys may have read by the title, today I'm giving you guys an official updated makeup routine, and so if you'd like to see how I created this look, continue watching. So I like to start off by going in with a primer. Today I'm going in with the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Base Lumiere. This will forever remain one of my favorite primers. And for foundation, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Full Filter Luminous Matte Foundation in the shade Gingerbread. And I'm going to list all of the products that I'll be using in this video in the description bar below. To apply this, I'm going in with this Real Techniques Kabuki brush. I'm going to apply, say, about one. That's probably 2.5 pumps. And press this into my face. And now for concealer, I'll be going in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Luminous Matte Concealer, and this is in the shade Cookie Dough. Now to contour my face, I'm going in with this foundation stick from Foschini, and this is in the shade Cappuccino. Let's see. I'm going in with this contour brush and I'm just gonna work the product onto the brush like so. I'm just going in with a bit of that contour onto my nose. Now going in with this cream blush by Palladio, and this is a 2-in-1 cheek and lip tint. This is in the shade Sweetheart, and I'm going in with this blush brush that I got off of Shein. I also got this contour brush off of Shein, so I'm just gonna work that product onto the brush. Now going in with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Cupcake. I'm going in with a powder puff. I got these off of Shein as well. I bought a ton for my kit. I even gave a ton to my friend because they like dirt cheap on Shein, and I've been obsessed ever since. Like, I can't stop using it. I just feel like my makeup routine is not the same if I don't use this puff. Going in with the Hoola Contourist palette, and I'm mixing these two shades together using this large powder brush from Real Techniques. I'm now going in with the Bobbi Brown blush in the shade Clementine. Oh, this blush is gorgeous. Okay, now I'll go in with a clean brush and I'll just set off the excess powder from my face, going in with this large blending brush that I got from Miniso. Do you guys still remember Miniso? And I mean, I've had this brush for a good couple of years and it hasn't shed at all. Now going in with this So Dewy setting spray from Mr. Price, and you guys already know that I love this so much. I also got my fan off of Shein. So I'll be going back into the Hoola Contourist palette. Going in with the shade right over here. I'm also just going to apply that shade into the crease of my eye. So I've just gone in with the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, and I used, let me just show you, I used the shade on my lid and the shade on the inner corners. And I'm just going to apply a bit of the shade over here, top of my nose, and then so about there, using my finger to just blend it. Now going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Gel Automatic Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Brown Denim, and I'm just applying this to the waterline. I'm also going to apply this to the lid of my eye. Now going in with my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, and I've been obsessed with this mascara. This mascara is divine, guys. I will be coming back to my eyes, but for now we're moving on to my brows, and I'm going in with the Essence Brow Styling Gel Set, and this is what it looks like. It looks a bit messy just because whenever I do my face I always already have foundation on, and so this is why it looks the way it does. So I just kind of work the product into my brows. And then I just use my fingers to kind of press it in. Now going in with my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade 4.5. I'm just going in with the excess product on this brush to highlight the arch of my brow. Now I'm going in with falsies. Very, very important. This is for the people who still insist on not putting on a lash. Why all the effort to put on makeup and not put on a lash? Make it make sense to me. Please, I need to understand. Baby, baby, baby. Now going in with the MAC lip liner in the shade Cork. For lipstick, I'm going in with the Huda matte lipstick in the shade Interview. To lock in the makeup, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Instant Matte Setting Spray. So this completes my updated makeup routine. What is your favorite step that you feel like if you're not doing this in your routine, like what's the point? Like I said, eyelashes for me just completes the look. If I'm doing it, I'm going all the way, you know. And so I love just throwing on a lash. I just feel like it just elevates the look. So let me know, what is that one thing that is a must in your makeup routine? Anyhow, as I mentioned, I've listed all of the products that I used in today's video in the description down below. Also let me know if you have any video suggestions that you guys would like to see me share here on my channel, and I will of course do that for you guys. Once again, thanks so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Bye babes.